In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you a method where you can create videos with what you know, and you can upload this on a high traffic site. And no, I'm not talking about YouTube either. This is something completely different. And for every minute of your explainer videos of teaching people or showing people how to do something that you know, you're going to get paid. And it's not far-fetched that you could make upwards of $10,000 per month, alrighty, or even more. Alright, so if that sounds interesting to you guys, want to stick around and see this video, we're going to get started on it here right now. And before we do though, but for those I'm talking that are new to my videos, this is your first time to my videos, and you haven't yet subscribed, well, anytime during the video, when you think about it, reach down there below your video and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly to this channel. Alrighty, well guys, let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm interested in showing this to you. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to create a video with something that you know. In other words, you're going to share something that you know. Maybe you're good at building computers. Maybe you're good at fixing laptops. Maybe you're good at working on cars. Maybe you're whatever it is that you're good at and that you know. You can share that and give that away and make some handsome money with this. All right. So first of all, you're going to need some software to do that with. Now, I recommend this software right here. It's OBS Studio. It's a free video creating software. It's called Open Broadcaster software. In fact, it's the one I'm using right now on this particular video that I make. In fact, all of my videos on my channel are made with OBS Studio here, guys. It's really good. It's easy to use. It's a free download for Windows and Mac, and they even got it for Linux. And you can download this for free and work with it. And there's all kinds of tutorials and things on this site that you can use if you need some help to get used to it. But let's say, on the other hand, that you really didn't want to make your videos yourself, not really interested in showing your face, which with OBS, you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. You can just create an explainer video. All right, but if you didn't want to do that yourself, the way also that you can do it is to come over here to this site right here. You can see right here, it's called Render Forest, guys. Look right up here in the address bar. It's renderforest.com. Also, I wanted to show you about OBS here. If you look up here in the address bar too, it's obsproject.com to get the OBS Studio. But for Render Forest, it's renderforest.com. And this site is a site where you can come and you can create logos. You can look at logos, videos, edit mock-ups, build a website, and design graphics as well, and all kinds of things. Now, they do have a free one on this site that you can use, and you can see they have all kinds of templates and things like that here that you can create videos with. So if we click on Create a Video, you can see all the templates right here that you could use, and these are all free to use, guys, and they are editable. I mean, they have whiteboard. People like whiteboard. You could use that in your explainer video, create an explainer video for something that you're really good at, all right, that you want to share with other people and make money with, okay? And there's all kinds of them here. You can scroll down through. There's just all kinds of different ones. So, for example, and they're easy to edit. So, for example, if we click on one, it doesn't matter. Just click on one, and then it's a 3D explainer video toolkit here, and you can watch what's already there of it, and you can create your own, edit it. Click on Create Now right here, and it loads it up over here, and you got 3 different things to choose from here. You can even click on Load a Preset right here, and then click Create, and it will load these different preset templates up here that you can use to create each one of your scenes in your videos, guys, and then you just simply download it to your computer, and then you can upload it to the particular site that I'm going to show you next. So you can come over here and use Render Forest, or you can use Open Broadcaster software here and create the videos straight from scratch yourself. All right, and so remember, renderforest.com. Now, once you get your explainer videos created, and you get them done the way you want them, and so on and so forth, and you've edited the way you want it. And for example, you could use this one here. It's a ready story, and all of this is editable, guys. You can click and add text over here. You can see, and you can have matching different scenes. and you can add text over here. It talks about, and this is all changeable and editable and so on and so forth here. Even a lot of the images are editable too on these things, and you have different scenes down here that you can edit as well. For just using this one as an example here, you can have all kinds of different things that you can edit here, and it's easy to work with on Render Forest and create yourself an explainer video. Alrighty, so guys, you can use this site and create really easy made explainer videos. You don't have to show your face, and you can even I think some of these you can even add your own voice to it if you want to as well. You have style up here, color, you can add music, and then they have a preview and things like that up here too as well at the top right up here. You see where my mouse is here. Alright, so after you get a video, explainer video created with something that you know that you want to share with other people, now let's come over here now and let's see how we're going to make some money with this particular video explainer videos. After you get that all done, you want to come over here to this site right here, guys. It's called Skillshare. And some of you may already know about this, but those that don't, look right here in the address bar, guys. It's Skillshare.com. All right. Well, this site right here, it's free to sign up. You can sign up right here with your Facebook account, your Google account, or your Apple ID, and you can sign up with a local email account right here as well. But I recommend you definitely want to check your email. They're going to send a validation mail to you, and you'll need to get that verified and then come back, and then you can just get signed in. And then after you get signed in, and you can see down here, there's all kinds of this site. People come here and they upload class videos or explainer videos that teach something to somebody. All right, because there's all kinds of people that are coming here and they're looking to learn something, and they can come here to Skillshare and find videos on that and all kinds of all categories. We've got animation, design, illustration, lifestyle, photo and film, business and writing. I mean, it's just all kinds of things that people can come here and learn. So what you want to do when you get here, though, for yourself, because you want to get your videos up on this site right here. Now let's come down and see how much money we can make here. So if we come all the way to the bottom of this website, what you do is you want to come down here under the column right here where you see my mouse is. It's called Teaching, and you see right here where it says Become a Teacher. Just click on that link right there, and it brings you over here. It says Inspire Creativity and Others, Teach on Skillshare, and share your passion with members around the world. And it says here, why teach on Skillshare? Well, when you help others along their creative journey, it's rewarding in more ways than one. By teaching on Skillshare, you can grow your online following, give back, and earn money. Top earning teachers make $100,000 plus per year on this site right here. And then so you can see some of the different people here giving you some testimonies, and they got like a little teacher challenge here. And here's how it works right here. It says create your first class, film your Skillshare class, and publish it with our easy class upload tool. And then we provide help along the way. It says grow your following. There are millions of members learning on Skillshare, and we show you how to build your presence in the Skillshare community and beyond. Well, let's just have a look and see how many people come to this site called Skillshare here, guys. If you're up here, you see I'm going to click on my similar web extension here, and it comes out, and you see we're on Skillshare here. And if I scroll down or scroll up right here, you can see that the monthly visits to this site, guys, is about 8.6 million people right now at this time. And if we scroll up, you can see where most of the traffic is coming from the United States here, and India, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. These are all top tier countries, so there's good traffic on this site built in already. And then it says right here is start earning. It says you'll be paid monthly for every member who watches your classes forever. Top earning teachers make over $100,000 a year. So you get paid for every minute, or every minute that people watch your videos, you're going to get paid. Royalty fees. These are called royalty fees over here. And it says right here, I clicked on learn more. It brings us over here, revenue and payments, guys. And if I look right here where it says earn royalties, and I click on that, it says right here, as a teacher on Skillshare, you earn royalties based on the number of paid minutes watched in your classes every minute. So whether they watch 1 minute, or if your video is 10 minutes long, one of your class videos are 10 minutes long, you're going to get paid for every single minute that they watch your videos, okay? That's how it works here. It's really great. It says here that the only exceptions to that is you must get a minimum total of 75 paid minutes watched across all of your classes within a month in order to receive a payment. Well, I would think that 75 paid minutes is going to be awful easy to reach. I don't see how you could miss it, actually, with the 8.6 million people coming to this site every month, guys. And everybody's interested in learning something. And what you know and what you can share, they would be interested in knowing how to do something that you can teach them, like you created in your explainer videos, and so on and so forth. So this is how you can make this kind of money, guys. You can make, and I would think, and I said 10,000 per month. That may be a little bit conservative. I don't know that now. It would take some time. It's going to happen. It isn't going to happen just in one night. It'll happen over time, guys. It'll build up and build up and build up. And as people, they rate, particularly if you get good ratings on your videos, like, you know, you get 4 out of 5 stars or 5-star rating, that will attract more people to watch your videos. And then the more they watch it, every minute's watched, you get paid. Alrighty, guys, that's what you want to do. You want to come here to Skillshare after you create your videos, either with like an OBS Studio software on your own, or you can use a site like Render Forest here and create your own videos right out of what they already have here, your explainer videos, which makes it probably a whole lot easier. Alrighty, well, guys, that's the video I had for you today. I wanted to show you a really good way that you can share your knowledge and teach other people how to do something, and then you can make a lot of money just by people watching your video on Skillshare, and you can earn royalties and make some really good money this way. Guys, if you like that video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up if it gave you some value. Don't forget to leave any comments down below if you have any comments about this particular method. Also, if you want to see how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, you want to click down there in the top of my description and where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and watch a free video presentation that will show you the skills on how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer making thousands of dollars per day that way also. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click that notification bell also. See you guys later. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.